Alright, so I got this customer with the 2019 RAV4, where she's complaining about the microphone not working on it. Well, the first thing that I noticed when I hopped in the car, turned it on, you have this SOS button here. It's supposed to light up red or green. If it's normal operating, it will be green. Well, I noticed on this case here that those two lights are not lit up. So to fix this, it is an easy fix. What you want to do is disconnect the battery, leave it disconnected for 30 minutes and reconnect it and try and see if those lights light up. So here's the battery. Squeeze those two tabs in. You got a 10mm and you got another 10mm. I like to unscrew both of them and leave them both disconnected, or you can just take off the positive one, leave it off, just as long as it discharges all the power. So got the battery disconnected, it's been disconnected for 30 minutes. I'll go ahead and reconnect it and we'll see if those lights come on. Alright, let's find out. I'll go ahead and turn the car on. And green. Now they're lit up. So now I'll test it out and see if the microphone works. So hopefully this helps you out. Thanks for watching.